This is a BMW 1 Series 116i E87 and the battery has had it, so let's go replace it. On the 1 Series the battery is located in the back, and just before I go any further, the only tools you'll need now is a 10mm socket and a screwdriver. Now you can get away with a 10mm spanner and a screwdriver. Now at the very back you have a little panel here, just lift that and there's your battery. So first off we'll undo the 10mm of the negative terminal. So loosen that, just lift it off down to one side. Next you'll see down at the side here is the bracket holding the battery into place, so we'll just undo that. Again, it's a 10mm, loosen it off and then remove it. Just put it off to one side. And next then we have the cross bracket on the top. Loosen that. Little nut will screw off, put down to one side. Now at the other side you'll see it's hidden below a panel. Some say that you need to remove the whole panel on here, but that's not necessary, because as you can see there's a little seam here, so if you get your fingers in underneath and give it a pull, there you have it. So again with the 10mm, now this one is not enclosed, so all you need to do is lift and pull. As you can see there, it just slides out. Now the next step is the screwdriver. So what you need to do is you need to get the screwdriver in under this and then just push it out away from the battery, or there's a little tab there to help you. Seems to be better when you're not on camera. Yeah, I think that's that one, and the same goes over here. I think that's ready to go. And finally you have your little plastic covering your positive terminal. So on each side is like little wings or tabs. Just pull them away and it pops up. And again, 10mm. There's no need to remove it fully. And what will happen then is the whole thing should just, the whole unit should just pull out. Yeah, I didn't get this fully out. This one didn't come fully out. Little bit of a struggle there, but I got it. And then we just twiggle it around and the whole thing comes up. Now move it off to one side, and there you have your batteries ready to come out. Next thing is just to pull the little breather pipe off. There's a little carry handle, and there we go, batteries out. Well, I hope you found that useful. If you did, give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and you can find us on the usual social media platforms.